Hi guys, Dad here. Lad's upstairs. Cat's sleeping away with the fairies, and I'm about to make a smoothie. Okay, so what I've got here in this smoothie. I'm sure you all know that I'm vegan. Not just vegans eat smoothies, but I've got some smoothies in here. Ingredients here to make smoothies. So the ingredients list are frozen raspberries. You have banana. You have a mixture of ripe banana, pear, and apple as well. So you've got a mixture there, full mixture there. So we're going to blend away. Once I get the lid. Okay, that's blender there, made by Molyneux. Okay, so let's just get the show on the road. Ready? Go. And here we go. It's not on. Taste test. Look at that succulentness. Alright guys. Banana, raspberry, pear. Is it pear or apple? Smoothie. Let's go. Ooh, look at that creaminess. Let's have a taste test. Cheers. Wow. Thumbs up for that. If you want to make a smoothie, water, frozen raspberries, bananas, ripe banana, apple, and that's it. I think that's it, and maybe a pear and pears. And have some more. Ah.